We have had a lot of rainy and hot days here recently, and it is making our house feel humid and sticky and just uncomfortable. So I snagged this compact dehumidifier to test out around our house. That was actually one of the selling points for me, is the fact that this dehumidifier is designed for a variety of rooms. So my plan is to test it out in our living room, our daughter's nursery, and our bathrooms, and keep you guys updated as we go. So pulling this out of the box so that you can get a closer look, this dehumidifier is designed to pull excess moisture out of the air, reducing that humidity and overall making the room just feel more comfortable. I'm sure you noticed as I was pulling it out of the box, it truly is lightweight and compact with these built-in handles, so I won't have any trouble moving it from room to room. And despite being compact, it comes with a large 106-ounce water tank, so I shouldn't have to empty it constantly throughout the day. So getting you a closer look at the control panel, which is super easy to use by the way, we have our power button here, 7 color light options, an automatic defrost built in, which is going to ensure the unit keeps working properly when frost forms. Over here we have our full tank indicator. We have a 4-timer option to accommodate your schedule and to allow for reduced energy cost. And finally, we have the power versus sleep mode options. This unit also has a removable filter included. All right, so tank is empty. I'm gonna go ahead and power on the unit. The living room is one of the bigger spaces in our house and really humid today, so I'm gonna ensure it's on the power mode. I'm not gonna worry about setting a timer in this instance and go ahead and let it do its thing. Okay, so I've been having this run in our living room since my husband left for work. First thing this morning, I've been having it run on power mode. So power mode versus sleep mode. Power mode just pulls the moisture out of the air faster than sleep mode does. So the unit automatically turned itself off because the tank is full. It gave me this red light indicator, and that's how I know it's time to empty the tank. So I immediately knew this was a good purchase because when my husband walked in for his lunch break about 12:30, he immediately said, "Wow, it feels so much more comfortable in here." He's pretty picky about the appliances we buy for our house, so I would say this was a win. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the tank out now and empty it so that we can move this to my daughter's nursery. Okay, so I went ahead and set this dehumidifier up in my daughter's nursery right when it was done doing its job in the living room. I initially set it at the power mode because her baby monitor system tracks the humidity in here and it was reading at 62%. I wanted to make sure that dropped before her afternoon nap so she has that comfortable sleep environment. So once we got to her afternoon nap, I turned it to the sleep mode, which functions at 20 decibels compared to 30 to 40 decibels. So she wasn't disturbed at all. I was then able to watch her humidity dropping in real time while she napped. And finally, to the master bathroom, I set power mode for 2 hours since this is a smaller space. So if you're looking for a way to manage the humidity, this dehumidifier is definitely an easy to use, convenient option to check out.